This video demonstrates how to calibrate your T6000. You will need to calibrate your printer every time new media is installed. To do a calibrate, press the pause key to place the printer offline. Press the right arrow key to highlight the calibrate icon and then press the enter key. The T6000 can also be set to automatically calibrate on power up or when the head is closed or each time the printer is placed online based on your setup preferences listed in the sensors menu. First, you will need to identify the features of the media that will be used. This could be the liner between labels, a black mark on the underside of the label, or a notch or hole within the label. Depending on the media gap type, the media sensing menu and positions of the sensor will likely need to be changed. When loading black mark media, move black media sensor under the media. Adjust the outboard sensor to the edge. Close the deck and set the menu to adjust for black marks. The sensor menu can be found under Setting, Sensors. The Setting menu can be found under Setting, Sensors, Controls, then Gap Mark Sensor. If your media has a liner gap between die-cut labels or hole or notch, select Gap. If your media has black marks located on the underside, select Mark. If your media is a continuous roll with no label length indicators, select Disable. After loading the media and ribbon, slide the media sensor assembly so the sensors are placed in the path of the desired label indicators, liner gaps, notches, holes, or black marks on the media. The sensor location is indicated by a triangle mark on the sensor housing. Note, the 4-inch model has one sensor assembly that detects gaps and black marks, while the 6-inch model has two separate sensor assemblies. An inboard assembly for detecting only gaps, holes, and notches, and the outboard for detecting only black marks. You are now ready to calibrate the printer. Press the enter key on the calibrate icon to begin calibration. If the calibration is successful, the sensed distance will be displayed. For additional T6000 product information, visit PrintronixAutoID.com.